Good morning, AVL Avid students. This is Mrs. Tucker again, and I want to go ahead and go over one of your assignments, which is your AVL supply check. If you're one of my Avid veterans, I know you're familiar with our binder checks and our planner checks. You guys are at home, so it's a little bit different and a little bit harder to do that, but not impossible. So as Avid students, guys, you are supposed to be staying organized with your material, and you're supposed to be managing your time. If you did complete the assignment with the planners and the binders that you should have done last week, then you know what is expected of you as an Avid student. So remember, you're supposed to have either a binder, an accordion folder, or your Google Drive, and a planner as an Avid student. So every week you will have a check. We're not going to check all of them, but each week I will send something out to you and say, okay guys, today we are checking your planner, or today we're checking your organization system, or today we're checking your Google Drive. So it won't be all of those, but it will be something each week. This week, we're only checking to see that you have your supplies. I know some of you may still be a little bit confused. You're not 100% certain how it's supposed to work when you're at home, so hopefully this will help you. So on your supply check, remember you're supposed to have a binder or an accordion. So you're gonna send me a picture of your binder, a picture of your labeled dividers, a picture of your pencil pouch with pens, pencils, and highlighters. Now, your Google Drive, you already did this as an assignment where you're supposed to organize your folders. So what's going to happen is you're going to send me a picture of your organized folders, but then you're going to also make sure you show me within the folder how you have your papers organized, and then you're going to send a planner, a picture of your planner, and you should have started writing in your planner this week. Now, I did say since you're AVL, you could use a digital planner or you could use a hard paper planner. But either way, I should see a picture of how you're writing things inside your planner each day. Now, if you look here, I went ahead and put some examples from some Avid students that are in class. I'm going to maximize this a little bit. So you'll notice in these two pictures here, so this is a binder. Everything's nice and neat. And look, this is their pencil pouch. They have pencils, colored pencils. They have their two blue or black pens. They do have a red pen. And on the other side, I know you don't see it, but it has their highlighters. So that's your pencil pouch. I need to be able to see that you have the supplies. This is a student right here who's using an accordion. So notice they have it labeled art, statistics, history, BIM, physics, English, and then this one back here I can't see. Now over here, let me move it over. I have two different samples of student planners. So this person is using a larger monthly type planner, but hey, I like this test in physics. And guys, notice that's the 22nd. They got some color coding going on here. They got details in here. And then this person down here at the bottom, same thing. I see some color coding, but they are writing important dates, information, homework, anything that is due. I know you may think because you're at home, you don't need to write those things in, but remember, you may not always be studying from home. Whether you're a senior and you're going to college next year, or you are one of the underclassmen and you come back later this school year or even next year, we need to practice writing that important information. So again, guys, what you're going to do is you are going to submit the pictures for me. I'm specifically looking for your organization system, which is either your binder or your accordion or your Google Drive. Notice I said or. So it's one or the other. And your planner. So I need to see a picture. Some of you might submit 2 pictures or 3 pictures or 4 pictures because I do want to be able to see that you have all your stuff here as far as it labeled and organized. You have your pencil pouch and that you do have your planner. So probably about 3 pictures, If you feel you need to send a few more, I'm okay with that. Now, how do you send me those pictures? What I suggest that you do, because a lot of these are going to be physical pictures of your items, is I actually took those pictures with my cell phone. Hey, that's Mrs. Tucker. Oh, look at me. So I took the pictures with my cell phone, and then what I did is I just emailed the pictures to myself, and I put it on my drive, and then what I did is I uploaded them here to the Google Slides. Now, what I would probably do if I were you guys is I would open a Word doc, something similar to that, open a Word document. And then when you create the new Word document, I don't know, I was holding my phone, I would name it, because this is not going to be due until Monday, guys. I want to give you time in case. So I would name it 921. Sorry. Oop. Go away. 921 supply. 2 P's, not 3, supply check, and then your first initial and your last name, okay? Then when you come over here to your actual Google Doc and I say insert an image, I'm gonna upload from my computer, or I actually save those to my drive. It'll pop up over here, and notice I have that. And then I'm just going to, when I click on the picture down here, it says insert. I insert and it's there. Now you can click the corners just to make it a little smaller. But please make sure that they are clear pictures, guys. When I look at this picture, I can see pens. I can see it's blue pens and a red pen. I can tell you every colored pencil that's there. I can count the number of pencils. You don't have to have colored pencils. I'm just saying that's as an example. So then I would go and I would attach my next picture and my next picture. So it already has the title on it, and then you're good to go. Let me know if you have questions. This is going to be due Monday the 21st. Thanks, guys.